Hi there, I'm back again, and in the meantime we see already our new version of ArcoLinux Welcome app. So this is a huge button, right? It's there to draw your attention, obviously. Now, as I told you, the update ArcoLinux mirrors is done automatically. So that's awesome if you got internet. So it boots up. At boot up, really, you are going to do the job in the back end. Nobody sees it. It doesn't delay anything. It just does its job. And the result is this guy. Mirror list is updated. That's our update. We see 99 there. And we have here a number, a time, 1408. And that's correct. Like I have to subtract, yeah. To subtract 2 hours from it, and as you see, then it's indeed 14:07:09. I just made a comment on Discord, so I was away. But this is it. This is our service that just asked, hey, who's gonna win? Because basically that's it. From the ArcoLinux servers living in Belgium, who is the fastest around me? And we always make a joke in the beta testers channel. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, right? It's often Osbeck that's winning here in Germany, in England, and in Belgium. Osbeck seems to be, the fastest. Only guys living in Japan sometimes get a one that's faster. Strange, right? Anyway, as long as it works, it's all good for us. Now, this update ArcoLinux mirrors, like I said, it's done automatically at boot up, right? So every boot is gonna check anyway. But you know, during the day, maybe you think this is getting slow, and it happens. Congestion, right? People can all go to the same server, and suddenly something happens to the server or whatever, and it's not going as fast as you like. Then there is this button. That's one thing, and of course we have our aliases, right? We have still mirror and mirror S and mirror D. We have our variations to ensure that this little thing, this mirror list, remember that mirror list in etc pacman.d, that there ArcoLinux is going to look, where should I get my stuff, right? Now it can happen, and that's informatics, that a mirror is down for a reason or partially updated for a reason, and that you should say, no, I'm not gonna take this one. I see a lot of errors with this guy. You can actually delete lines, right, and save it. And this is Pacman. This is Atom, I mean. So if I would like to do that, Control S, save, is gonna ask once, and it asks twice, and it's saved. So in this case, I've just deleted something, but Control Z, keep it open. Control S, save, done. It's back in there. So I often do things like that, but just keep it open. You always can do Control Z and save it again. Nothing happened, right? So if you want to see the update ArcoLinux mirrors and see that in action, you see here some text, and then we wait. Updating your mirror list. Watch out for the number. Watch out for the date. So 12:07. We are now 12:13. This is taking for me fast internet around between 15 and 20 seconds. So it depends on your, well, there it is, right? Now we've done some minor changes. This is number 100. So we know if a user says, I've done this and I've done that, we know with the number here that you pushed the button here. So update ArcoLinux mirrors doesn't give 99, but gives 100. So just knowing, okay, this thing works, basically. And in one, Osbeck one. Again, nothing changed. So it's never going to visit any of these guys unless this guy is in lack of a file. If you're going to build an ISO, and we take around 1000 till 1500 packages, and is looking for a package, and Osbeck says, I don't have it, then it's going to take the second one. No, the third one, the fourth one. That it did happen a few days ago with some kind of package, and then some lines go down there. I don't know, 4 or 5 attempts, and then you found the file and you could build an ISO. So these are all fallbacks in a sense, and we're all getting it from this one, this point in time. Living in Belgium probably, right? So that's some other added value and added knowledge. That's what we do, right? And well, basically I just booted up and Nvidia is still there and we're working on Nvidia. Yeah, the kernel has changed, 5.6.8 already. You can visit the other video to see 1255 packages. So this is the flagship. OpenBox XFCE i3. Again, this is our ISO, guys. You are welcome to use our ISO, but if you say too much software, there's ArcoLinux D, which is really minimal. But you can choose in Calamares what to get. 16 desktops to choose from, a lot of software to choose from, or say whatever. I'm not going to use anything they say there in Calamares. I'll make my own scripts, or you can reuse our scripts from github.com ArcoLinux D. And last but not least, there's ArcoLinux B. Either you download it, or you build it yourself with the packages you like and love. Put it on the ISO. It's your ISO, just for you. That's ArcoLinux for you, and that's another update video for you. Alright, cheers!